Imagine a world where businesses can streamline their financial and business analysis seamlessly across global markets. From the skyscrapers of Wall Street to the historic offices of Zurich and Milano, GF-Accord AI is transforming how corporations handle complex data. GF-Accord AI isn't just another AI platform. It's a specialized solution designed exclusively for financial and business document production. Whether you're in a bustling office in Tokyo or a boardroom in Paris, our proprietary AI technology ensures precision, consistency, and speed. No more inefficiencies or open-ended processes. Through unsupervised and supervised learning, our AI automates the creation of market research, SWOT analysis, ESG insights, and digital investment strategies, all tailored to your unique business needs. With its modular approach, GF Accord AI adapts to your corporation, ensuring every analysis is custom-built for you. Our platform integrates effortlessly into any corporate environment. From the most advanced tech hubs in Shanghai to the legacy offices with rich wood walls and oil paintings in Geneva, GF Accord AI is built to fit seamlessly into your workflow. For corporations, using GF Accord AI means more than just automation. It means gaining a competitive edge, optimizing resources, and producing comprehensive, high-quality financial reports faster than ever before. With our black box AI solutions, your business gains exclusivity and control over its analysis, from branding strategies to advanced SWOT assessments. Across industries, whether finance, marketing, or consulting, GF Accord AI solutions can be trusted globally. We've been ranked number 5 tech company in August 2024 by Hackernoon, offering unmatched scalability and the capability to monetize outputs as tokenized assets. For forward-thinking corporations, this is more than AI. It's the future of business. Join the revolution with GF Accord AI. Whether you're in Los Angeles, Shanghai, or Geneva, our platform is ready to empower your business and elevate your financial strategies to the next level. Experience the transformation wherever you are, whatever your business needs. GF Accord AI, revolutionizing business and financial analysis with AI.